Hi everyone, it's Hien from DH Garden Center in beautiful Kisilano. You know, indoor plants are not just decoration, they are living energy in your space. Have you ever stepped into a room and instantly felt a sense of ease? Like the air was lighter, your mind clearer, and everything just easier to breathe? You might not have noticed, but that difference often comes from a few pots of greenery quietly doing their thing. Today, we're not talking about plants as decorative items. We're talking about them as life companions, silent allies that help make your living or working space more balanced, powerful, and inspiring. In the most literal sense, why are indoor plants so important? You probably heard this 100 times. Plants clean the air, help you relax, and beautify your home. But that's just the surface. Behind those humble pots is an intricate system that affects your health, emotion, energy, even your finances. Don't believe it? Picture this. You wake up in a room where a peace lily rests gently beside your bed. The first thing you feel isn't a loud alarm, but fresh air and soft light filtering through the leaves. Or you walk into your workspace, and instead of facing a blank screen, you're greeted by a thriving ZZ plant that seems to say, "You've got this." These moments may seem small, but they add up, big time. Feng Shui and plants is not just superstition. Feng Shui isn't some mystical practice. It's simply the art of arranging your space so that energy can flow freely, without blockages, supporting your life goals. In Feng Shui, plants represent the wood element, symbolizing growth, renewal, and vitality. But not all plants are equal. Some absorb negative energy, some attract prosperity, and others bring calmness to the mind. What matters is choosing the right plant in the right spot. More than just direction and aesthetics, Feng Shui with plants is also about intention. For example, a snake plant at your bedroom door is not just there for style, it's guarding your sleep, protecting your rest space from disruptive energy. A jade plant on your desk is not just decoration, it's your silent partner in prosperity. And remember, the 5 elements in Feng Shui work best when balanced. So, a plant in a red ceramic pot, 5+ wood, placed in a southeast corner, the wealth area, strengthens the positive energy exponentially. Let's talk about something most people overlook when they bring a plant home. You buy a peace lily, a monstera, maybe a jade plant. You get home, place it somewhere that looks nice, and move on with your day. But what if I told you that where you place that plant might be just as important as what plant you choose? According to Feng Shui, every corner of your home or office has a specific energy. And when you place a living, breathing plant into that space with intention, you're not just decorating, you're designing the energy flow of your life. Let's walk through the house together, and I'll show you how plants can help you rest deeper, work smarter, and even attract more abundance just by living in the right corner of your space. Number 1, living room, where energy gathers. This is where people come together, conversations spark, ideas flow. It's a space of connection. So we want plants here that invite good fortune, spark inspiration, and open up the energy field. Monstera, with its dramatic split leaves, is perfect near large windows or open corners. It symbolizes growth, expansion, and opportunities you didn't even know were waiting. Place it near the window where it can see the outside world. Think of it like a green antenna, pulling in possibilities. Pair that with a ZZ plant or jade plant near the front entrance. In Feng Shui, the entrance is your mouth of chai, where energy first enters your home. Plants here serve as guardian and greeters. The jade plant's round leaves symbolize coins, a literal wealth magnet. Just don't forget to dust its leaves occasionally. In Feng Shui, dust equals stagnation. Number 2, bedroom, your sanctuary for deep rest. The bedroom isn't just where you sleep, it's where you process your day, recharge your energy, and regulate your emotion. This space needs gentle, quiet plants that soothe, not stimulate. Think of it like whispering, not shouting. That's where peace lily shines. She's soft, lush, and hardworking, filtering air pollutants while you sleep. Place it on a nightstand or dresser. but not too close to your head. You want its energy to cradle you, not crowd you. Then there's snake plant, the most underrated sleep partner. Unlike most plants, it gives off oxygen at night. It's like a silent night nurse, working while you rest. And care-wise, this plant could outlive your last relationship. Watch her every 2 to 3 weeks and give it indirect light. Number 3, office, where focus and fortune collide. In your workspace, whether it's a corporate desk or a home office corner, you want plants that promote sharp thinking, financial luck, and motivation. Here's a winning duo. Jade plant on your desk or shelf, especially on the southeast corner, the wealth sector in feng shui. Pothos, trailing from a hanging pot or climbing along a bookshelf. Its soft vines keep energy moving and ward off mental blocks. And here's the secret. Talk to your office plants. Yes, really, studies show plants respond to the sound of human voices. And we respond better too when we feel connected to our space. So if you're stuck on a task, say it out loud to your plant. You might be surprised what clarity comes back. Number 4, bathroom, the forgotten sanctuary. The bathroom is where you cleanse, release, and reset. But it also tends to hold stagnant, draining energy, especially if there's no natural light. A Boston fern is your hero here. It loves moisture and brings soft, rejuvenating energy to a space we usually rush through. Hang it near a window or place it on a shelf. Mist it regularly. If your bathroom has no window, place it outside the door instead, symbolically cleansing the energy before you enter. Bonus tip: use a paper tray under the pot to boost humidity naturally. Your fern will thank you. Number 5, entrance, your energetic handshake. Your front door is where the outside world meets your inner sanctuary. So placing the right plant here is like choosing the tone of your welcome. A tall, proud rubber plant flanking one side of the door adds grounding energy. It says, this is a place of strength. Pair it with a ZZ plant or money tree on the other side for balance and prosperity. Don't block the path. Always allow space for energy and people to move freely. Feng Shui is about flow, not clutter. The takeaway? Every room has a purpose, and every plant has a power. The moment you stop placing plants randomly and start placing them intentionally, your space starts to speak back to you. You feel better, think clearer, sleep deeper, work smarter. And if you choose wisely, you might even see new doors open in your life. So here's a little challenge. Walk through your space today, one room at a time. Ask, what energy do I want to create here? Then choose the plant that supports it and place it like you mean it. If this helped you see your space differently, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe. We'll keep sharing simple but powerful ways to align your life, one green step at a time. And if you happen to be in or near Vancouver, come visit us at DH Garden Center in Kitsilano. We're not just here to sell you a plant, we're here to help you find your plant, the one that speaks to your space, your energy, and your life. The takeaway: every room has a purpose, and every plant has a power. The moment you stop placing plants randomly and start placing them intentionally, your space starts to speak back to you. You feel better, think clearer, sleep deeper, work smarter, and if you choose wisely, you might even see new doors open in your life. So here's a little challenge. Walk through your space today, one room at a time. Ask, what energy do I want to create here? Then choose the plant that supports it and place it like you mean it. If this helped you see your space differently, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe. We'll keep sharing simple but powerful ways to align your life, one green step at a time. And if you happen to be in or near Vancouver, come visit us at DH Garden Center in Kitsilano. We're not just here to sell you a plant. We're here to help you find your plant, the one that speaks to your space, your energy, and your life.